Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So we were in Sydney last week and I had a chance to catch up with my bestie Ron, and we went to their place in Rushcutters Bay, and it was a beautiful place, beautiful view. So I asked him if I could do a little tour of their apartment, and luckily he said yes. So if you'd like to see the video guys, then keep on watching. So guys, this is my friend's place. I'm just gonna knock the door. Guys! Hi! We're gonna do a house tour.
Welcome back to my channel. We're doing house tour. Mommy? Yeah. This is the telephone. Hello?
Telepono?
Hello?
Yes. What's that?
It's a nice little pub though, I love it.
Hello?
That's better. That's the telephone in case you need to call the police.
It's the intercom. Hello, Paris is here.
Ay, intercom na. What's up? Uy, tell me about this pig.
That pig is by Moy. So Moy is an Italian designer. So it comes with that and the horse as well.
Where's the horse?
It's in the store. So just check out Moy. So now is the bed.
Paris in the bed already. So straight away there's a sliding door here guys, huh? Doesn't move? It's fixed?
It's hard. It's like and this is the bed.
Uy, mag-shoes ang bata.
That's fine. This is the bed. We just bought some.
Pull up guys, extra pillowcases nila guys, so Kenzo. Iba ra gid sila guys, eh. They reckon they sleep better with the one guys, Kenzo. Pillowcases.
Sleeping well. No.
What else is here? So there's what's that? Just an art.
Just an art.
There's a lamp on the side and a mirror. Guys, can you believe that lamp is freaking $600?
No, three. I think three.
Oh, 300. Really? Power? Sa power na lang lamp, ganun mahal mo kayo.
I think it's a replica as a horn. Like, well, tusk. Whatever, something.
Okay, what's this?
It's for...
Cart? Is that cart, huh?
Yeah.
Like, this guys. There's a TV here, guys.
That's the Piva.
And there's like a big mirror, guys. Oh, pang OOTD. Mirror. Look at the, hey, what's this one? Oh, yes. B?
Wardrobe that it's messy.
Cart.
You just wardrobe that it's really...
Hi, Cartier.
How are you? This is just like... coat.
Carts and everything. Yeah.
Ron, are we going anywhere, doing anything?
Yes, we are.
What's up there? Salvatore Prague. La, Salvatore pila ang gramo.
Closets, belts, and
Yeah. Guys, natuon mo siya guys, oy.
everything else.
Mo siya guys, ako siyang gibet kaya dato mo siya guys.
I know.
Oh, you alright, Ron?
Okay.
The bedroom. Just again. This is bathroom.
The bathroom. It's the bathroom. Yes, the bathroom. Saan nasa bathroom? Sagay, supermarket. Madaghan kitty.
Huh? What's a toothbrush? Oh my god, this is really good toothpaste. This is a really, really good toothpaste. It's Italian brand. If you, yeah, it's a really, really, really good toothpaste.
Uy, ginoo ko, Colgate naman naman.
You got that.
How much guys? Oh, was it last year?
Perfumes, and you got whatever, I don't know.
So organized.
What's this?
Skincare and all that.
Here, what's this?
Everything else is.
And got toilet bowl if you want to see. And it's the shower. It's a huge shower. Spacious. And then
Kitchen, so that's a little dirty.
I'll send you to,
yeah.
pantry, fridge, laundry, and
Probably the most much straw. It's beautiful, isn't it? I was like, I might just go and sleep here.
This mirror is everything, guys. I like this mirror. Can I have this mirror? Yeah.
who's the mirror by?
Glass Italia. It's called Paradox.
Paradox. What's the color?
Paradox. Paradox.
Just lunchroom. Just small lunchroom.
Beautiful. Organized. Minimalist. Child.
You don't want to see the cage downstairs. It's not minimalist. And you don't want to see what's under here because this is just like jump packed.
Could that be?
Like this decoration.
Where are the eggs gone? The eggshells.
And the civil chair.
Eggshell. Who's that?
Yeah.
Eggshell going, right?
That's Moy, Muscle Wonders.
So the eggshell and
That
the
looks so nice.
It's eggs in the
And
condom.
then,
It's eggs in the condom.
eggs and condom.
Huh?
Eggs and
Eggs and condoms.
Yeah. And then this is just a balcony.
Balcony. Yes. It's so dark. The
Kind of big.
rush of Uy, matagak ba yun ako? They've got 2 cats, guys, but they're hiding somewhere. But yeah, thank
And then,
you. Thank you for letting us tour
And that's
beautiful home. Okay.
I hate being a vlogger. That's hard.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and also yeah, don't forget to give this a thumbs up as well, and I'll see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.